great news. Let's talk about the latest immigration news. We have a great news to share with you. My name is Bijoux Ngwanda, as you know it. I am an immigration lawyer based here in DC. However, I do have clients across the country and around the world because we are dealing with complex U.S. immigration law cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, you go ahead and share, like, and don't forget to comment below. Also follow me on all platforms. Links are in the description box below. What's going on with this Biden administration? My friend, we have a great news. This Biden administration is trying to come up with an executive order, parole in place for spouses of U.S. citizens, therefore allowing them to get temporary protected status, work permit, and opening a pathway for citizenship for spouses of U.S. citizens who enter illegally in this country. That's what's going on. As we know it, right? In order to adjust status, the person must be admitted and inspected, or paroled and inspected. But we know that a lot of people, according to this latest news, 1.1 million of individuals got to the United States without being paroled, so basically illegally. Therefore, even if they married U.S. citizen, they couldn't adjust status. In order to adjust status, you have to have a legal entry unless 245I applies, right? And a lot of people don't have that 245I exception to claim. And then there's another possibility to get a waiver, a lawful presence waiver, by filing the form I-601A. And once it is approved, then you can go outside of the United States for consular processing. And we know that that's a lot of risks. It involves a lot of risk, and a lot of people don't take that option either. So people are stuck in limbo with spouses that happen to be U.S. citizens, but they cannot do anything. So this Biden administration is coming with a plan, and hopefully this plan is going to work. When exactly this plan is going to work, I don't know. But what we know is if it has to work, it has to happen before the election, before the general election. Why? Because this administration is trying to win voters, okay? So that's why they're coming up with this plan. But in one way, they're trying to win voters, but in another way, it's a good way to help people who actually need it, parole in place. And they've done it with family members and spouses of U.S. that's people who are in the military, right? Parole in place. If you don't know what it means, you can refer back to my previous videos. I've talked a lot about parole in place on this channel. But anyway, parole in place is basically for giving a person who enter illegally for a certain period of time, so they can get temporary protected status while work permit, and really opening a pathway for them to adjust status later on, right? If they're eligible for adjustment of status. And in this case, it's going to be spouses of U.S. citizens who enter illegally in this country. While I am going to wait for this for this day to come, because I have clients who are in this position, and that's a great news if this thing really happened, right? Is it going to be challenged in court? I don't know. That remains to be seen. If it actually happens, is it going to be challenged? We're just gonna wait and see, right? Because you know, they always challenge executive orders anyway. So we're just gonna wait and see. Meanwhile, on the other side, we have Donald Trump, who's trying to advocate for mass deportation. Well, if you're in removal and you have anything as far as I-130 is concerned, and you want to adjust status, this is the time to do it. TPS holders who travel outside of the United States and want to adjust status based on marriage, well, this is the time to do it. Or based on being a parent of a U.S. citizen, this is the time to do it. The Dolly memo is still going on, my friend. Or if you just need a consultation for a second opinion, you can schedule it by using the consultation link in the description box below. And the reason why you want to schedule a consultation is because you want to know things prior to filing. Okay, don't come after the filings, after it gets denied, and try to schedule a consultation. And some people will be calling me because they just want to talk over the phone. No, my friend, if you need a consultation, just schedule it, because I charge for consultation. But if you just want to talk, you can make the comment, leave it in the comment section below. Until next time, bye-bye.